Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss Chemistry Class 7 Chapter 2 Exercise Questions and Answers. Question number 1 is, what is the formula of quicklime? The answer is, the formula of quicklime is CaO, that is calcium oxide. Question number 2, which arrow is used to indicate a reversible change? Answer is, the arrow is used to indicate a reversible change is as given in the picture. Number 3, what is the color of flame when magnesium burns in air? The answer is, when a piece of magnesium ribbon is heated in a flame, it burns with a dazzling light. Number 4, give two factors on which a change depends on. The answer is, the change can be depends on shape and composition. Question number 5, name the reactions in which heat is absorbed. Answer, the reaction is given, that is glucose plus heat under bracket from the surface of tongue, and the product is cooling effect of tongue. Question number 6, define dissolution. Answer is, the process in which a substance mixes thoroughly in another substance is known as dissolution. For example, salt in water. Question number 7, how does rate of evaporation change when temperature is increased? The answer is, when temperature is increased, the particles gain energy, begin to vibrate more rapidly. As a result, their tendency to escape increases. So, the rate of evaporation increases with increase of temperature. Question number 8, why is rusting referred as a slow eating of metals? The answer is, the rust forms a layer of powdered iron oxide over iron, which is loosely attached to the metal surface and gets removed easily. Thus, metal is lost. Hence, it is referred as a slow eating of metal. Question number 9, which changes are referred as undesirable changes? Answer, the changes which are harmful to us are referred as undesirable change. For example, spoiling of foodstuff. Question number 10, pulling of a rubber string is a reversible change. Explain. Answer is, when we stretch a rubber with force of our hands, it undergo change and its length increases. But on releasing the force, rubber comes back to its original length. So, the stretching of rubber band is a reversible change. Number 11, A is differentiate between rusting and burning. Number 1, rusting is a slow process. Number 1, in burning, it is a fast process. Number 2, in rusting, it takes place at room temperature. Number 2, in burning, it takes place at higher temperature. Number 3, in rusting, it takes place on metal surface. Number 3, in burning, it takes place for combustible substances. Number B, differentiate between burning and respiration. Number 1, burning is a fast process. Number 1, in respiration, it is a slow process. Number 2, in burning, it takes place at higher temperature. Number 2, in respiration, it takes place at body temperature. Number 3, in burning, it takes place for combustible substance. Number 3, in respiration, it takes place in living organism. Number 4, in burning, it do not involve any enzymes. Number 4, in respiration, enzymes are biocatalysts and these are required for respiration. Question number 12. What is evaporation? How does water change to its vapor state? First answer is the process in which a liquid changes into vapor is known as evaporation. The second answer is when heat is supplied to water, the molecules start vibrating with increased speed and the particles in the water move in all directions. This increase in amount of kinetic energy reduces the force of attraction between the existing molecules, and these molecules leave the surface and change into vapor state. Question number 13. Differentiate between physical change and chemical change. Number 1. Only physical state and physical properties of the substances are changed. Number 1. In chemical change, both the physical and chemical properties of the substances are changed. Number 2. In physical change, the original substances does not lose its identity, molecular composition of substances remains unchanged. Number 2. In chemical change, the original substance loses its chemical identity during the change, molecular composition gets changed. Number 3. No new substances are formed. Number 3. In chemical change, new substances are formed. Number 4. The change is temporary change, and in many cases the original state is restored. Number 4. In chemical change, the change is usually permanent. Original state cannot be restored. The example of physical change, changing of water into ice. The example of chemical change, burning of paper.